sure if this is true, but we might have a windstorm. So, yeah, let me just go to a different room so I can explain this. Okay, let's see. That's better. So yeah, what's going on, Munchlax Day, and today I want to explain a little bit of a, I guess, windstorm or whatever, and yes, I do look extremely different. I shaved it off. I was like, alright, I'm getting rid of this. It was just too much. Get a little bit of, just a little speck of what I have. Anyways. But yeah, so today the news said that there was like a windstorm coming. I don't know if it's true because so far we're at like 40 kilometers per hour southwest. So that's not bad. Well, I'm not saying that's good, but it's not like terrible. They said that was gonna be like 90 to 110 kilometers, as they estimated. Yeah, and the last time that they said they were gonna be like 8-kilometer winds, yeah, only went up like to half of that. So, I do not believe it. I'm not saying I believe it as in like I'm shocked. I don't believe it as in like it's true. But yeah, so let me show you a little bit of what's so far happened. Hopefully you guys can see this. Slightly windy, but yeah, nothing too much. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I don't know why I made this vlog, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. And also, yes, Reacting to Daniel will be out maybe Tuesday. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, everyone.